If you have issues with Wi-Fi not working properly on the Samsung Galaxy S26, here's what you can do to try to solve your issues. So first of all, we're gonna go to settings. Over here in settings, proceed to connections, and the first thing that you can do is you can check the airplane mode if it's not enabled. If you have airplane mode enabled, then of course you will not be able to access Wi-Fi. Sometimes we can turn this option on by accident and we might not even be aware of that. Besides that, what you can also do is you can go to the Wi-Fi settings and you can simply turn off and turn Wi-Fi back on. This allows you to refresh the list of networks, and you should be able to try to reconnect to the network if you have been connected to the network before. If you have not been connected yet and you cannot find the network on this list of available networks, what you can do is you can check if the Wi-Fi works on other devices. So if you have something else, like another device that uses Wi-Fi, and you can connect that device to the same Wi-Fi network, just make sure that it works on that other device. If it does, then of course we can proceed with some other stuff in here, but if it doesn't work also on other devices, then of course this is like an indicator that you have an issue with the Wi-Fi itself rather than with Wi-Fi on the device. Now, in addition to that, what I can also recommend you to do is use the QR code scanner. If you have the Wi-Fi QR code, then you can open the rear camera and you should be able to scan the QR code, and you should be able to connect to the network without looking for it on this list of available networks, and also without having to enter the password. Now, in addition to that, if you happened to be connected to the network before, you can also try to forget the network completely in order to try to reconnect to the network. And also, if you, for example, get disconnected after some time from your network and the phone does not want to reconnect, then of course I can recommend you checking the auto reconnect option. Usually it is enabled by default, but just in case, you can check if this option is on, so whenever you lose the connection by accident or something, then your phone has the option to reconnect to the network. Another thing that you can do is you can tap on these three dots in the upper right corner and you can proceed to intelligent Wi-Fi. Over here you should be able to find the switch to better Wi-Fi networks, which of course is a pretty great feature, but you might not really want to use it in case it turns out that actually the other network that you may have available at your place is worse, or it has like some troubles with the signal or something. So you might want to turn this option off if you may feel like this might be the reason why you lose Wi-Fi connection or something, or if it doesn't work properly. Now, besides that, what we can also do is you can also turn off the switch to the let me actually go back to intelligent Wi-Fi. You can turn off the switch to mobile data, which allows you to use the mobile data whenever your Wi-Fi connection is slow or unstable. So maybe like there is like a small time frame when the connection gets weaker and then the phone switches to the mobile data. Of course, you probably don't want really to do that, so you can turn that option off as well if you feel like it is going to be helpful. And there is one more thing that we can do. If we go back to settings and then over here scroll down to, let me actually try to find it. There we go, the general management. Then over here we can tap on reset, and then in reset we can find reset Wi-Fi and Bluetooth settings. So what you can do is you can reset both of these settings. Unfortunately, you cannot really separate it. If you decide to reset, then you will have to reconnect to Wi-Fi networks, and also your Bluetooth device are going to be removed, so you will have to pair them again on your phone. But if you're ready, just tap on reset settings and then go back to the Wi-Fi settings and try to connect to your Wi-Fi network again. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.